Assalamu alaikum, little Muslims. It's Azkar time. I am Misbah and
I am Hibba.
yes, are you ready to learn dua?
Yes.
Let's start. This is the dua we should read every morning. Allahumma
Allahumma
bika asbahna
bika asbahna
wa bika amsayna
wa bika amsayna
wa bika nahya
wa bika nahya
wa bika namutu
wa bika namutu
wa ilayka nushur.
wa ilayka nusyur.
Now, Hiba, it's your turn. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start.
Allahumma bika asbahna wa bika amsayna wa bika nahya wa bika namutu wa ilayka nusyur.
Yes. Oh Allah, by you we enter the morning, and by you we enter the evening. By you we live, and by you we die, and to you is the resurrection. So दुआ याद कीजिए और फिर अस्कार टाइम में मिलेंगे हिबा के साथ. अस्सलामु अलैकुम.